Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to send Excel file in Gmail. This guy is very easy and very simple method to send Excel file in your Gmail. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First, you open your Gmail. You can see this type of interface you can see in your desktop. Then here you can see the home post. You can see this pencil icon also. Just you need to click on it, and here you can see this type of interface you can see in your desktop. And here you can see it too. Just click on it. And here which person you have to send your Excel file or just enter her Gmail account, like just click on it which person you have to send. Then click on this Excel file. You can see this type of interface. Then open your document, like my Excel file name is book1. Just open it, click on it, then click on this open. Here you can see something load. Then click on this send. Then click on this. You can see message send. This guy is very easy and very simple method to send Excel file in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please visit again, guys.